Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Badoo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Badoo. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to badoo.com. You can also use the Badoo app to sign up. On the home page, you can sign up for Badoo using your email address, phone number, your Google account, or your Apple ID. In this video, we will be using the email method. So enter your email address and tap Sign Up. Next, select your gender and add your name. Similarly, add your date of birth and tap Continue. Then, add pictures to your account and tap Continue. On the next page, create a password for your account. Badoo will send a confirmation email, so check your mail and tap Complete your registration. Also, allow the permission for Badoo to access your location and tap Continue. Next, select why you are using Badoo and tap Continue. Now, to complete your profile, you must answer some questions or tap Maybe Later to do it later. Since I will be taking the quiz, tap Start the quiz. Remember that the pictures on your profile must have your face in it to get verified, so upload the pictures that have your face in it. On the first question, select your sexual orientation. Next, select your relationship status. Tap the arrow at the bottom for the next question. Here, select your interests or search for it. Once you do that, write a bio to introduce yourself. Next, add in your height. Also, select your school or university and also your field of work. Now answer the questions related to your personality. What makes you laugh? What kind of music do you like to listen to? What's your ideal first date? Next, select your preference. Answer the questions according to your preference. It is time to verify your profile, so tap Verify Me. A demo picture will be shown, so take a picture of yourself with the pose. Your picture is being verified, so tap Next. Next, specify your relationship status and answer the questions accordingly. Now tap Finish Profile to add the finishing details, or tap Maybe Later to do it later. And that's how you sign up for Badoo. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.